Andarki namaskaram. Let us start today's session. In this session, we are going to discuss verb conjugations template. This table has been created by Anne Garu. We reviewed this one and we made some improvements, and we can use this template as a reference. Okay. So in the first column, you will see subjects, all the subjects like I, you, and their meanings. Okay. In the second column, you will see the endings like verb endings, for example chu, chu. In the second column you will see the verb endings and you need to convert like this. Nenu, for example, take the verb choo choo. Choo choo becomes choose. The last letter we need to replace with s. This is is. Then we need to add to, so we got choose to. Choose to, this is choose to, example word, we got choose to. Then here I have given the example after conjugation, చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను. So similarly, నువ్వు చూస్తూ ఉన్నావు, అతడు చూస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. So like that you can make sentences, but with practice you will enjoy this table, okay, because it's very comprehensive. And similarly, there are other verb endings. We will go through one by one when we have the transliteration part. Similarly, you can see here how we can conjugate the verbs into negative form. Here you can this is the rule for the sentence to make into question forms. Okay, let me copy the next one also. Then in the coming sessions we will discuss this in detail. But today I'm going to copy upload this one also in Word format, so it will be easy for you. Word or PDF format. In the second table you will find present simple, future simple, past simple, present perfect simple, and past perfect simple. These are the tenses you can make using this table. Also future perfect simple. Okay, sir Andy, now let us continue with the previous topic. We were discussing example sentences for each ending. Let me open the file. This we will continue later after adding the transliterations. Did you remember up to which letter we discussed in the last session? Yeah, I think it is pu. Today we can discuss the verbs which are ending with povu and their rules. Okay, so before copying these verbs, let us conjugate how we make changes while conjugating. For example, I will carry this bag. నేను ఈ సంచిని తీసుకొని పోతాను. Okay, పోతావు. So here what we are doing, this povu we are changing to ta. Then we are adding anu, that is the common suffix. Let us see other verbs. మరచిపోవు, మరచిపోతాను. వలసపోవు, వలసపోతారు. దాటిపోవు, దాటిపోతాడు. So here wu becomes ta, then anu, తాను, తుంది, like that we make change. Yeah, let us add this one. I think this is a new category we don't have before, so we will add at the end. Let us take this verb, carry verb, as an example. Okay, while I am typing, somebody try to read the conjugation part. తీసుకొని పోవు becomes అవునండి,
తీసుకొని పోతాను, తీసుకొని పోతావు, తీసుకొని పోతాడు, తీసుకొని పోతుంది, తీసుకొని పోతారు,
అవునండి,
తీసుకొని పోతాము.
అవునండి. So whenever you see a verb with ending wu, you can use the same structure. let me copy the English also. So it will be తీసుకొని పోతాను. So తాను, తావు, తాడు, so those kind of endings are common, but we need to replace the ending word wu with తాను, తావు, like that. Okay, we completed the template. Now I will copy the verbs which are ending with povu here, so you can make sentences while practicing. How many verbs we have? We don't have much, but if you find any verb, these are the commonly used verbs ending with povu, but in future if you find any verb from dictionary or anywhere, you can use the same structure. I'm not writing that activity because you know already how to conjugate, so while practicing you can do. And just for practice, can somebody try to conjugate any one of the verb? For example, forget, marachipovu. Quickly, can you try to conjugate? Anyone?
మర్చిపోతాను, మర్చిపోతాను, మర్చిపోతుంది,
అవునండి.
మర్చిపోతారు, మర్చిపోతాయి.
అవునండి. Yeah, so it is, you understand the structure.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, let us go to the next one. The next category is pu. So for example, చాడీలు చెప్పు, కబుర్లు చెప్పు. Let's take the verb కబుర్లు చెప్పు. So కబుర్లు చెప్పు becomes, we use two structures. One is కబుర్లు చెప్పుతాను, కబుర్లు చెప్తాను, అతడు కబుర్లు చెప్తాడు, ఆమె కబుర్లు చెప్పుతుంది. So here what we are doing, we are not making any change before adding the common suffix like తాను, తాడు, చెప్పుతుంది, చెప్పుతాడు. But in spoken Telugu sometimes we use a different style also. Cheppu, we replace cheppu with చెబుతాడు. తాడు, తాను, తుంది, that will be same, only we replace with చెప్పు with bu. Okay, let us see other verbs also. For example, కబుర్లు చెప్పుతాను, ముందుగా చెబుతాను, గుసగుసమని చెప్పుతాను, చెబుతాడు, both are correct. జవాబు చెప్పు becomes జవాబు చెప్పుతాను or జవాబు చెబుతాను, both are correct. So this one I don't say to add with bu because this is also correct. For example, నేను నిజం చెప్తాను, నేను నిజం చెప్తాను, but you just remember in the spoken Telugu, we can use, but this is only for the verb which we use with combination the verb cheppu only. But if you see any other verb without cheppu, like there is one verb here, tappu. Tappu verb we don't say tabutanu. That's why I don't mention the bu rule here, because the common rule is tapputanu, tapputadu, చెప్పుతాడు, like that. Okay, you can use same structure, but in spoken Telugu we replace pu with bu only. That is just remember only. But if you don't use also, if you directly make conjugation like చెప్పుతాను also correct. Okay, so this one we can keep in the existing category. I will just copy this one. There is a category, there we don't make any change, but we just add the common suffix, that is tanu, tadu, tundi, like that. So in that category I will add this one, but I will also put one note there regarding the bu replacement.
Yes.
So this is the category we use to conjugate directly without making any change. So I will add here. Okay, let's take the verbs. We have 13 verbs with this category. So let me put here, I think here, yeah, this is different. Okay, no problem. So for all these verbs you can use the same structure as I mentioned before, like just you need to add the common suffix. Okay, just for a quick review, can somebody try to conjugate with any verb? For example, let's take say. Using the verb cheppu, can you conjugate?
Chebutan, Chebutanu,
అవునండి,
Chebutaru,
అవునండి,
Chebutamu,
అవునండి,
Chebutundi,
అవునండి.
Chebutamu, I think I said that. Chebuteyi,
చెబుతాయి.
Chebutaru,
యా,
Chebutayi,
అవునండి.
Chebutadu,
ఎస్.
Chebutandi.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I think you covered most of the subjects endings. Yeah, it's fine, Andy. So here I'm going to write a note for this category. You can use the common suffix which we use for simple future tense and simple present tense. So what is the common suffix for simple future tense and simple present tense? Can somebody tell me?
Chebu.
No, that is tanu, tadu, tundi. This is a common. For some of the verbs we make change before adding this common suffix. Okay, so I'm mentioning here, for this category you can use the common suffix which we use for simple future and simple present tense. So I mentioned here for this category, let me zoom out. Yeah, for this category you can use the common suffix which we use for simple future and simple present tense. They are tanu, tavu, tadu, tundi, taru, tai. However, if you find any verb with cheppu, for example salaha cheppu. Okay, if you find any verb with cheppu ending, you can also use like, okay, I will mention like this. You can replace the word pu with bu. We replace pu with bu only when there is a total word like cheppu. If there is no cheppu word, you need to apply the common rule only. Okay, as I mentioned before, fail means tappu. So here I don't say tabutanu, it is wrong. So we need to use common suffix only if there is no cheppu word. Okay, so ending you can also replace the word pu with bu. For example, stress means nokki cheppu. So nokki cheppu becomes nokki chebutanu after conjugating. Okay, so this is a detailed note about the verbs which are ending with pu. Let us see the next ending. So our next category is bu. Here I found only one verb, rubu, but in future if you find any verbs which are ending with bu, you can use the same structure. And here we don't make any change, we use a common suffix, that is tanu or tanu తుంది, తారు, తాడు, like that. So rubbu, for example, I will grind, that means నేను రుబ్బుతాను. Here we are not going to make any changes, it will be as it is. So I'll just add this one with this category. So I'm going to add here. I'll just add here because it is only one verb. I can put it separately, no need to go to the bottom area. I'll just add it here as an individual verb. So it is grind. Grind means rub. So you can use the same structure while conjugating. For example, నేను రుబ్బుతాను, అతడు రుబ్బుతాడు, ఆమె రుబ్బుతుంది, like that. Okay, let us see the next category. The next category is mu. So mu also same. Tomu becomes tomutanu. There is no. Okay, first let me copy this one to save our time. I'll put it here only. Tomu becomes tomutanu, tomutadu, tomutundi, like that. You can use the common suffix. No need to make any change before adding the common suffix. Okay, let us bring the next category. That is mu. This is also same. We don't make any change. We just add the common suffix. For example, let us take the verb believe. Believe means nammu. So in the sentence it becomes nammutanu. Nenu nammutanu, aame nammutundi, atadu nammutadu, like that. So here we are not making any change. So we can keep in the same section. So I will add this one. The same category. Then let us copy the verbs lists so you can practice using these verbs. There are 5 verbs, but in future you may find some other verbs, so you can use the same structure. Yeah, I'll just put it here. Okay, let's bring the next structure. We'll see the next later. Maybe we'll not have enough time in this session to do this one. This is you. Yeah, the verbs which are ending with you will be having a different style. We don't conjugate like this. Mukkalu cheyu becomes mukkalu chestanu. So you we replace with sa. Then we add like tanu, like that. That common ending we add here. Chestanu, chestundi, chestadu. But this will take some time to explain. So we'll continue this one in the next session. Okay. I think there are so many verbs with this ending. More than 100. Sare andi, thank you for joining. We will meet again in the next session.